What's up, guys? We got a box. I'm really excited for this one. Hold on. Pull it out. This is really rare, guys. Really rare. And I got it used, I think. So, yeah. But wow. I'm gonna need to cut the packer out, though. Just like brand new, though. A little dusty. And it came with mirrors. The old MR mirrors. Holy crap. This box is out of the way. Nothing too special. Didn't come with the original alloy waste box, but wow. Here's the mirrors. One of the mirrors. That's what it looks like. The old MR mirrors. And I'll compare it with the new MRU. The newer MRU. Wow. And here's what the new MRU mirror looks like. It's a little smaller. I'll put one of the mirrors on just for show right now. The mirrors on. I'm like, wow. This. Wow. I'll put the extra mirrors up here. That I have an extra Ziploc bag with the extra mirrors going in, and they all fit because they're tiny. But wow. Holy crap. Hold on. It won't stay on. But I'm gonna have to cut the packer out so the packer is functional. Wow. There we go. The other mirror wouldn't stay on, so I have to change them. But wow. I'll compare the dumpsters. Here's the newer Republic. Here's the older Allied with the S. It's just like a prototype logo, is what I heard. Because former WM driver, he was showing his collection, and he had this in his collection, and he said it was like a prototype logo. They originally wanted to do a logo with the AWS, and then they put it on this model, and they see if people would like it, and then they decided, I don't know. They didn't really want to do it, so they just did AW instead. But here's the engine. Wow. Now we'll do a dumpster pickup. This will, since it's kind of like a Republic truck basically, since it's an old Allied, it will basically work with Republic and this Allied dumpster. Wow. Holy crap, guys. And there's something that this truck has that none of my other trucks have. This exhaust pipe right here. Wow, I expected it to be a little dusty because I got it used, but just like brand new, it's just a little dusty. Nothing's broken on it at all. Nothing. Just like brand new. And then now we'll do the tailgate. Open. Wow. Made in 2004. You can see right there. Wow. Yeah, I'll cut the packer out after this video so I have a functional packer. But Wow. Old MR Wiki. Wow. Thanks for watching, guys.